Hello, sir.
Hey,
What brings you to the event here tonight?
mainly the networking. I think this is the best place I found for networking.
I love it. And what is it that you do that you want to network?
Well, I'm a cash buyer, so I run Los Angeles Cash Home Buyers. Look it up on Google. We're pretty high on the SEO pages. But we pretty much, we find people, cash buyers that are looking to sell quick.
And how would people, let's say I'm a cash buyer, how would I find you?
The best way is Google. Just type in Los Angeles Cash Homebuyers.com and I'll be the first one that pops up.
Oh, I love it. Okay, so what was that URL again?
Los Angeles Cash Home Buyers.
And would this be specific to a certain area, or would it be all over?
Yeah, we're trying to specialize in just LA County, but I mean, if you have something in the outer skirts like Orange County, San Bernardino, Riverside, Kern, we'll still take a look at it.
Fantastic. Okay. And where are we here tonight?
Right now, I'm helping out Sam at Sam's Club.
You're helping out Sam of Sam's
Club, yeah. So that's how we're able to buy houses for cash. You know, Sam, he's got all the money. So as soon as we buy houses, we use his money to buy them, fix them, flip them, and go on to the next one.
Woo! Repeat.
Buy, fix, and flip.
Repeat. Okay, fantastic. So you buy it, you fix it, and then you repeat.
Yes. Like rinse
Thank
and
you,
repeat.
Lupe. You're the
Nice talking to you.
best.
Thank you. Bye.
Take care.